together we all feel the current intensity, the current release, the chaos, and the invitation to the unknown. So I would like to invite you all to join us online this Sunday. Together we will journey with shamanic sound into our womb space, to listen, to tune in for what each of us is releasing and what we can offer, give birth for ourselves, to create harmony and balance for our paths and for our communities. This space will begin with a little bit of guided journey inwardly to the heart, sink down into our womb, connect with our ancestors, and then connect with womb of earth, to give ourselves permission to release any fears, limitation, doubt, guilt or shame, and to open up with the vehicle and the innate ability to go into the unknown with joy. So join us, and I will leave the description in the information, and feel free to message me. Take care.